Do your towels or laundry still smell bad even after washing? It's not your detergent and it's not your washing machine. The sour musty smell? It's not dirt. It's microbial bloom that starts within minutes after fabrics get wet. Towels, gym gear, bedding, even your favorite hoodie, they all face the same microbial problem. In this video, I'm going to let you in on why it happens and give you the exact routine you need to actually stop it so your laundry smells fresh every time and stays that way. The things you are missing. You might think the problem only shows up after washing, but the smell actually starts the second you put it down. For example, you have just showered, the towel is damp, and yes, tiny bacteria from your skin are already in there, and it's totally normal. Then most people do what seems fine. Fold it, hang it on a crowded rail, or toss it in the laundry basket. Here is the problem though, the towel can't dry. Trap moisture, create perfect environment for bacteria to thrive. They multiply fast, and the waste they leave behind? That sour, musty smell. No dirt, no sweat, your laundry never really left the smell behind. Another part that makes it worse, your washing routine is actually helping them survive. Why the wash doesn't fix it? So, you throw the laundry in the machine thinking that it will solve it, but the bacteria is tougher than you think. Cold or quick cycle, bacteria will survive easily. Overloaded drum, water and detergent can't reach every single fiber. Too much detergent, it doesn't rinse out. Residue traps moisture and bacteria love it. Fabric softener? The softness comes at a cost. It slows drying, blocks airflow, and actually locks the germs in. So, the laundry comes out clean but still damp. You fold it, store it, and the smell cycle starts again. But the smell isn't coming back, it has never left. And if you think that is bad at home, wait until you see what happens in gyms and hotels. Why this matters beyond the bathroom? At the gym, towels sit for hours in deep bins with zero airflow. Hours of damp warmth. Packed tight. By the time they hit the wash, the smell is already baked in. Hotel rush cycles to keep up with checkout times. Office showers use the cheapest service doing the fastest turnaround. And guess who survives? That's right, the bacteria. It's same story everywhere. Damp storage, quick wash, incomplete drying. People won't complain about a musty towel, but they will definitely remember your place smelled off. And even if everything else was completely spotless, it doesn't matter. And operationally, you are washing clean towels, double the water, double the energy, double the chemicals. If your machine has biofilm, and the smell spreads to every single load. So, now that you know why the smell never goes away, here is a routine that actually stops it once and for all. I have also included my specific checklist in the description. Use it and your laundry will stay fresh like it's supposed to. Let towel dry fully after every use. Open, flat and airy, never folded or trapped on a radiator. Moisture is the problem, so remove it before it multiplies. Wash at 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. This is the sweet spot, high enough to remove oils and bacteria, but not so hot to damage fibers. Temperature matters. Cold washes just move the problem around. And measure detergent carefully. Too much leaves residue that locks in the smell. Too little leaves dirt behind. The right amount resets your towel properly. Skip fabric softeners. The soft layer is a chemical film. Science shows it actually slows moisture movement, blocks airflow, and reduces absorbency. It doesn't fight the bacteria, it helps the smell stick. Avoid fragrance boosters. Perfume doesn't clean, it just masks the smell. It also leaves residue, slow drying, irritates skin, and adds unnecessary chemicals. Dry completely. Not mostly dry, totally dry, before folding or storage, no exceptions. Clean your machine monthly. Biofilm in the drum, drawers and the seals will reinfect your washing. Run a hot empty cycle. Clean the drawer, wipe the seals. I have seen washing pick up smell straight from the drum. Simple cleaning, fix it. Don't skip this step. Follow these 7 steps and the smell stops. Not for a day, not for a week, but permanently. Now that you know the steps that actually work, let's bust some of the tricks people swear by, like vinegar and baking soda. And a spoiler, they don't do what you think. The vinegar plus soda myth. The chemistry is simple. Acid plus base equals sodium acetate, water and foam. Looks impressive, but it doesn't clean, deodorize or kill bacteria. It is a school project, not a laundry solution. So, vinegar and baking soda won't save your laundry. But what happens if you actually follow the right steps? Here is what it looks like when you put it all together. Let's see it in action. The pattern is everywhere. Here is the story your towel live every day. Home, gym, hotels, offices. Damp towels dumped in deep bins. They sit there. Quick wash. Overloaded drum. Softener added for comfort. Incomplete drying and stored slightly damp. Then, surprise! They smell. Flip it. Airflow after use. Proper temperature. Correct detergent dosing. No softeners. Complete drying. Clean machine. Follow these steps and the smell stops because you actually remove the conditions that created it. The real question isn't why do my towels smell? It is where is the moisture or residue staying? Fix it and your laundry will actually stay fresh every time. Next time your towels smell and then you will know exactly which steps you have skipped and you will fix it in 10 seconds. Want more no fluff solutions to everyday problems? Hit subscribe and I'll show you exactly what works every single time. I'm Antoni from EcoDrift. Thanks for watching and here is to laundry that actually stays fresh.